If you want to automatically grant access to any of your courses, freebies, products, ebooks, when somebody joins your email list, here's how to do it. The answer is to create an email automation, also known as a workflow, that sends people access when they join your email list. So this is called a workflow. I'm using a platform called Techmatics. And basically, when somebody is a new contact in my list, we first ask the system, have they ever been through this sequence before? If they have, we cancel this automation just because we don't want people going through the same automation multiple times. If they haven't, well then from there, this is where we grant access to different products. So you can see here, anyone who joins my email list gets access to my lead magnet launcher, plan your program, set up your course, and my Techmatics training program. I now want to also add my ChatGPT workshop as a freebie that they get when they join my list as well. So I'm going to press the add button down here, and this is going to bring up all of the different options. And I'm going to type in grant access, and you'll see here we get the option to grant access to an offer. It will then say which offer, and we're going to choose, for instance, my ChatGPT webinar. Bump, give it that one. Go down to save action, and voila. Now, when somebody joins my email list, they get access to all of these incredible, juicy freebies. Now you can see there, I haven't named this properly. There you go, all nice and edited. From there, we basically send them a welcome email, welcoming them to our online community, letting them know that they've got access to all these free things and how to get them. We add a tag saying that they have joined our email list. And then from there, people go through the system and they get email tips, every few days, which all offer ways that I can help them in their business along with the helpful tip. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow and share for more tech tips.